Hi again, Doug here from X-Frames FPV, and today we've got another quick fix or troubleshooting video for you. We're going to be doing these from time to time now, and this came in. This is another one from Jason in Texas. He had a couple of problems here. This one was what seemed to be fail-safing, and it would just kind of drop out of the sky, and he would still have video. And so it seemed, I thought, okay, it's possible it's a desync issue. There's a few things it could be, and I got it here, plugged it in, everything was fine. One of the motors a little bit noisy. It took a little bit of a hit. That's an easy replace. This is a Floss. This is the first version, and then this is kind of a slow flyer, or just a point and shoot with these 1407 2722 motors. Makes a great little just lay back and have fun flight. Anyways, when I got it, no issues, plugged in, everything was fine. Messed around a little bit, and then unplugged and plugged back in. And again, we saw this issue in the previous Astro X. I got the 3 beeps, did it, but I did not get the last 2 until I plugged in the USB, which means we're having a problem with 5 volts, because the USB provides 5 volts. And so if you unplug and you have a problem, there's a problem with 5 volts. So I traced it. There was a couple places that was running 3.5. There was even one that was still running 5, but some of them were completely dead. I unplugged it, let it sit for a while, and then I plugged it back in a few minutes later. It came back on, no problem. So what we have here is obviously a 5 volt regulator problem. This was running the Dys F4 all-in-one. And so, if you plug something in with a battery and you don't get those last 2 beeps, and then you plug it in again and with the USB, and then it comes on, that tells you that you're not getting 5 volts up to the flight controller, because once the USB provides a 5 volts, you're good. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this, put a new flight controller in, same flight controller. I've had really good luck with these Dys F4 all-in-ones. Pins right nice and neat. I put Bondix on. I haven't done this because this was before I was doing the Bondix, so I will do that to these. Put Bondix on the plugs here. Right here I put Bondix so that it will absolutely hold this, and the top one I'll do it on the flight controller as well. So we'll do a kind of follow-up video, maybe some flight footage. But these aren't meant to be any kind of in-depth troubleshooting. It's just kind of, I see a lot of stuff coming in with issues, and I thought, it might be a good idea for the people out there, even though I might think it's something, well, of course that's the problem. There's other people maybe troubleshooting and not knowing what's going on. This might help you. So guys, appreciate you. Check out my website, xframesfpv.com, and you can see pictures and like if you go there now, there's a lot of pictures there that don't make sense, and it's because I just had it rebuilt, and those are just kind of some stock photos. But we'll be doing some upgrading and some exciting things on the channel. So I appreciate you again. Hope you guys get some time to fly.